Code 14 drivers wanted at Red Dot Logistics in Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal province. So you need to have your Code 14 license with PDP, 3 years minimum experience, and you also need to have some experience in long distance trips, and you need to be able to handle paperwork because you'll be dealing with vehicles, you'll be transporting vehicles. So experience in vehicle transporting will be an added advantage. So to those that are interested, there's an email that is in the job post, and also there's an email template that you can use to apply that can increase your chances of getting a response from the hiring manager. So to apply, just copy the email in the job post and also copy the email template so that you can use that as your application. And then you can also download the application to our website. That is the link in the bio now. You click on it, it will start to download right away. Then after you download, you can install the application. Then when you are on the application, just search Red Dot Group. Then it will show the job for the Red Dot Group. And to those that cannot see the link in bio, just go on Google and type vacancies with Senash. The first link that you see will lead you to the job that I'm talking about. You just search Red Dot when you're on the website. The first link, when you search vacancies with Senash, then you search Red Dot, you'll find the job there.